Fuck the ops, is their loss, I cut them off. How could I get pissed off? Bodies get ticked off. I hope you brush your teeth before you talk about the big boss. Brand new bed sheets covered in your wifey's lip gloss. He was in the top, he slipped off. None of them boy, they're hard. All of them boy, they're
Good morning. We're on day 2 of the Rome trip. I'm here obviously joined by my cousin and my brother. Yep. We're running, actually not late, we're running on perfect timing to go to the Colosseum for a 3-hour tour, which is really fun. But we're going to be going to the underground of the Colosseum and Roman Forum, and we're going to go to the Pantheon, Trevi Fountain, and then do like all the little walk around activities. We're just running to the train station now to go over to the Colosseum. This is the view. It just rained this morning, but we're getting a lot of sun now. We're walking through the slums again like yesterday, and that's really it. I'll try to get some more content compared to yesterday's video, because I actually wasn't knowing I didn't actually know what to record or not. What to not record. No. You're alright.
You're alright? Yeah.
I think that might be in the background of that.
Yeah, I think that the fact you was recorded, shit. That's not good. Yeah, there's a step like that I tripped on. Yeah, they're small, they're tiny little steps, aren't they? Yeah.
And I was just trying to do that. But yeah, we're trying to get to the train station because we've got to be there for 12 o'clock. And it is currently like 1:45.
She's right there, though. What's up with me? What are you looking at?
He does this.
Train's here. Let's go.
Look at the weather today.
Right.
Pretty view. I want to see that.
Help your mum. That's where we have to meet.
No.
Don't. He was thinking about panning it over.
Look at that. Okay, we have got the badge. He's repping Italy in Italy.
Standard, man.
He's doing nothing, just being there. He was stripping before, he's taken off his top and everything.
Why you're complaining?
Oh wait, I've already lost mine. Oh no, it's here. Got mine. We got pretty cool views of some historic buildings. I can't really show you properly because the sun's actually blinding me. But we got some more like cathedrals, not cathedrals, like churches over there. And then I've already shown you just before, but there's that cool building just over there. That I want to actually look at later on because it looks really cool.
Zoo in Rome, or the Colosseum and that.
And what's that? What do you say?
Right, so it's
Some.
you said Rome's built in a day.
I didn't.
Don't do that.
You're a liar.
Swear on your mums.
They don't know
Swear on
that.
your mums.
Mums, I didn't say.
Whoa!
He's crossing his fingers in his pocket. That's so bad.
While he's doing that.
He's crossing his legs. That's so
Rome
bad.
was not built in a day.
Built in 2.
It's a saying.
No, the saying is Rome wasn't built in a day.
I'm unliking it now. I'm a prick.
You like the comment as well.
Actually, Rome was built in a day, so you should have plenty of time.
Just said that as a joke to say you can get through
How do you
everything
know
'cause
it's a
built in
joke?
day.
Maybe he's thick as me.
No,
So maybe
no chance.
Alright, so we've just gone through security within the Roman Forum. This is our speaking Shakespeare, this is our view that we got. And what I found quite cool is actually said that all this was found beneath a farmer's field. Quite cool. Got cool artwork of like the gladiators fighting and stuff. Whoa.
Where'd you get my face?
Oh look, whole statue there and everything. That's how I look. It's not how you look. Oh, this is like their old flooring and stuff. Don't know how they walked on this because it's actually really uncomfortable to walk on. Every single stone's just digging into my foot. So just saying how that used to be a library and a church. Pretty big building to have, so fair play. There's some old columns, you can probably see the actual size of how big it was. They're really tall. You don't actually realise how tall it is until you stand next to it. But huge. mate. That's actually really close and it's really, really big, that seagull.
Yeah.
It's like a pond. It's got fish and stuff in it. The top view of it. And so you can see all the fish in there. Really pretty. So the tour guide was just saying that this building was made in 350. Very, very old. And then obviously you've got the Colosseum there. From yesterday's video we were on the opposite side, just over there. It's just another angle of it. Okay, we are now finished with the Roman Forum, and we've now entered got all this really cool look. We've got the actual place down there, and then just further down here we've got the actual cross, and then like got the entire ground. Really, really cool. It's absolutely huge. Got old inscriptions sort of thing on the ceiling. But yeah, we're going to do the underground whole tour, everything like that. Really interesting, really cool. Whole Colosseum. Okay, now going to the underground. Just waiting.
They're the original CCTV.
Yeah, I think they had CCTV back in the day. Obviously, they didn't have this elevator back in the day, though. So I believe this is where the gladiators used to walk along when they're going out down to the actual underneath the stage where they get lifted up. And I think everywhere you can see those little squares there, that's the elevator. Or like part of one. So down right there, there's that white thing on the floor. That's where one would be. And from here you can actually see the actual height of the entire Colosseum. It's huge. So now we've made it onto the arena floor. So this is like the actual level that you'd be when you were fighting and everything. Really cool. Cool look.
Have you got any chewing gum?
No, I haven't.
You have one. You need one, don't you?
Yeah, Aaron.
Why do I need chewing gum?
No, Aaron Mateo.
You complimented my package.
Yeah, he did. He did. But
Oh, that's a good package.
Yeah.
I turned to Aaron and I was like, oh, it's a good package.
But I meant, like, this is a good, like the actual tour package is pretty good. Because you get to go to the underground, you get to go to the arena floor, and you get to go to, like, everywhere, basically.
He meant my penis. He meant my penis. I have a very good package.
why are you recording?
Why are you so close to your face?
He's recording his bottom teeth.
Got it back?
Yeah, it is my camera.
Sorry.
But yeah, like I said, it's just really, really cool. Yeah.
Now the backstage is open air, but you need to meet that arena or that corner was reaching this area. Okay, to help you out with the imagination, I, as usual.
What's going on?
I'm just going to cut it there.
What the
He's coming.
Mateo.
That's what I was going.
He just laughed at that because he put Mattel on coming. Aaron, you should take a Polaroid photo of this.
Do you reckon it'll work?
Yeah, this is how ours came out.
Oh,
with
the
Aaron's
water heater has gone on standby.
Some boy. Wait, say that again. Say that again.
Is that on camera?
Basically, wait, just bearing in mind, we had a bit of water problems. Wait. We had some water problems this morning, and we tried to get like it all fixed, but it's not working. So the guy that we've rented this Airbnb through is actually trying to fix it. He can't read the text
I'll
he's just
read it.
put through. So
No,
you can't read.
Go on.
The water heater has gone on standby. Unplug it from the socket, wait a minute, and then plug it back in. Turn on the hot water, and the water heater should
That was
be
ages ago,
started.
wasn't it?
I've done that.
Why have I only just got that one now? Where's the
This
newest
guy's
one?
telling me old news.
His brain's on
Right,
standby.
Standboy.
That's a nice view.
I'm a nice view.
No, not you.
Nah, it's so not
Sorry.
interesting.
I just turned to him, I was like, not now.
It's so not interesting.
Alright, this is the restaurant that we found. Here, just really literally around the corner from the Colosseum. Well, that's a pizza, spaghetti. But like, he's got 3 different types of spaghetti, isn't you?
Yeah. I think carbonara, and then he mentioned like 3 different. I think it's a good.
Yeah, try different ones. But yeah, and then that's it. But it looks really nice in here. Pretty cool. Okay, it's my pizza. Stefan's pizza, and then that actually does look really good.
It is.
I kind of wish I actually got that.
That's a good one.
It's great.
Alright, mate.
Yeah.
They just don't build stuff like that.
Alright, so we've just done our research. This building was actually only built 90 years ago. Or like, no, 100 and something years ago. Finished in 1910. Considering that's like the look of it, you think, wow, that's really old. It's actually not. It's only like 100 and something years old. So that's really impressive that they can still build like that.
Yeah, that's it. It's not that old.
That's not that old at all. But that's beautiful. That's insane. Alright, we're going to get live reactions.
Oh shit! It is very cool looking.
Wait, we need to do that one where you tend to cry and shit. And you put the music in the background. I beg we do. It's going to take us.
That's cool. That's actually massive. I don't remember it being this big.
Well, did you see this last time you went?
Yeah, but I don't remember it being this big.
If it weren't turned on.
I was hoping the camera could actually pick it up, like how detailed it is.
Oh, it's a good camera, right?
Hold on, it is for a camera.
Yeah?
It is for a camera, well done.
I said it's a good camera.
No, I didn't.
I did. I didn't say for a camera. I said it's a good camera. Why is he chatting to me like that?
Say it to my face.
So I just broke the third wall and he's chatting to the camera.
Usually people like chuck coins and stuff in there. I don't have any coins to chuck. But also, it's way too crowded. I hoping the Pantheon would be a little bit better. Got the Pantheon in the back. Pretty cool look.
Alright, come. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh wait, it might be closed. No, I think it might be closed. Oh, there's a mass going on. There's a mass going on. But down here, mass going on at the moment, but but this is the outside look. Very impressive, very old, very cool looking. A lot of holes in the top. Got the Italian top that he's literally been getting compliments all around because you don't really see it anywhere. It's fucking cold. But he said it's cold. So it must be bad.
No, it's actually very cold.
It's cold, yeah. No, it's okay,
Not
thank you.
very interested, mate.
Okay. Or we're going to look at the meat shop.
I'm not too.
But you can get some meat.
You found the directions?
Okay, so this weren't really on our itinerary, but we have come across the Spanish Steps, which is why it's very busy.
Purely by accident.
Yeah, purely by accident. We're actually trying to head to the metro, but you've got to go this way anyway. So that's a bit of a one-off. Looks quite cool. Like I said, it is just steps, but the actual view of like that church at the top is really cool. View of the fountain at the bottom. It's all right, a bit crowded, but you're going to get that in all these tourist attractions and everything. And that is the end of today's video. Today was a nice, relaxing day out, learning all the history of Rome. I found it really interesting and actually quite fun. I really enjoyed the actual Colosseum probably the most, followed by all the probably the Trevi Fountain. That was actually really cool to see, but very busy, which was a bit of a downside of it. And you had to pay to go down to the lower level. Not doing that. That's the end of it. Now we're all going to go out and I'm going to make a second video. If you want to go see that, that'll come up tomorrow. And that'll be a drinking in Rome. And if you are new to this channel, please also subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.